Welcome to Baler, Aurora, a beautiful paradise on the eastern coast of the Philippines. Known for its stunning beaches, rich culture, and breathtaking nature. Baler is more than just a tourist destination. It's a living example of how a community can grow through tourism while protecting the environment, strengthening the economy, and uplifting its people. One of the strongest pillars of sustainability in Baler is its care for the environment. The local government and community work hand in hand to keep nature pristine. Programs such as tree planting, beach cleanups, and waste segregations are practiced regularly. Tourist spots like the Tumabo Mother Falls and the Casalarin Cove have visitor limits to prevent overcrowding and preserve their natural beauty. Many resorts also adopt eco-friendly practices, using solar panels, minimizing plastic use, and promoting reusable containers. These efforts shows that tourism and environmental care can go together hand in hand. Beyond the beaches, Baler's heart lies in its people. The community plays a big role in tourism planning, ensuring development respects their culture and traditions. Historical and cultural sites like Museo de Baler and the Church of Baler remind both locals and tourists of the town's proud heritage. Educational programs also teach locals and visitors about responsible tourism, environmental protection, and cultural appreciation. In Baler, tourism doesn't erase culture, it celebrates and preserves it. Tourism in Baler is not just about visiting, it's about empowering. The town ensures that tourism brings direct benefits to the local economy. Most of the workers in the tourism industry, surf instructors, tour guides, drivers, and homestay owners are residents of Baler. Local products like suman, coco jam, and hand-woven crafts are sold to visitors, giving small business a chance to grow. Instead of letting large companies take over, Baler supports community-based tourism, where local cooperatives and family manage many establishments. This means every wave surfed, every souvenir bought, and every meal enjoyed helps the local family thrive. The strength of Baler's tourism lies in the balance of its three pillars: environment, economy, and people. The town protects its natural beauty while creating jobs and supporting local businesses. The people, in turn, care for both nature and culture, ensuring that growth remains responsible. Local initiatives remind everyone that progress should never come at the cost of environment or the community's well-being. Through cooperation and shared values, Baler continues to grow without losing its identity. In Baler, development doesn't mean destroying what's natural. It means growing with care, living with purpose, and sharing benefits with everyone. This balance is what keeps Baler sustainable, a place where progress and preservation move together in harmony. As the sun sets over the shores of Baler, we are reminded that sustainability is not just a practice, it's a way of life. Baler Aurora show us that tourism can thrive without destroying what makes a place special. Its people continue to protect their environment, support one another, and celebrate their culture with pride. Every tourist who visits Baler becomes part of this vision by respecting nature, supporting local livelihoods, and learning from the community's love for their home. Here, progress and preservation walk together. The waves of Baler don't just bring surfers, they bring lessons of balance, respect, and responsibility. Baler Aurora stands as a shining example that when we care for the environment, invest in our economy, and uplift our people, we create a future where everyone can thrive. So let's carry the spirit of Baler where we go, to travel wisely, live sustainably, and always remember that protecting our planet begins with the choice we make today.